Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 3 for STL Patreon for December 2023 for D&D miniatures, Warhammer proxies, anime figures, and so forth. If you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. And check out our Patreon Discord down the link. There was a question. They want me to put down links for the Patreons for you guys. I will try to do a couple. I won't be able to do all. Usually you'll see on the screen, you can pause it and Google it, but I'll do my best to put a lot of these links down. It's just there are just too many damn links, and I do forget a lot of time which one I did which. I can go look back in the video. I did that multiple times, but I'll still freaking forget. Just letting you know. But we'll do my best for it going on forward for it. Anyhow, we have Wada Studio. We have Crystal Dragons. That looks kind of okay. Well, if you lend to the baby dragons for it, you can make them any color you want. Looks like it, but yeah, Crystal Dragons. Next one is Nut Stellar. As I said, letting a figure. Yeah, just lewd figures. Let's see here. 16. I don't think he's doing anything for December. Some of the stuff you might see is a repeat due to the fact that there are stuff that hasn't really shown last week for it. Queen Asara from World of Warcraft. Um, Vanaroth. Shit, Vanaroth looks pretty damn good. Problem is I'm not doing World of Warcraft and I'm not going to the Abyss, so I do have a lot of demons for it. And that sucker is huge to print compared to the ones you had to play in World of Warcraft. The Maker Cult. These are Warhammer proxies for it. Some of these you can actually retrofit. Like these can be for towels. These I really Mechanicus. I don't know. I don't like the orc or the truck, but there's that for you. Clay Beast Creation. For this, we have. I believe this is December release. That's our loyalty. I think we're getting what you call it. I think we got some kind of war bear, I believe, on these two of these. And I think these are ogres. These are very weird. Ogre size compared to Frost Tusk. So that's ogre size. So they're basically going to be a lot bigger for it. So they're probably kind of be some kind of ogre uh, breed of something for this thing. Stefan Sculpt movie figures or TV series figures. We got Mars Attack. I'm surprised they never actually remade this movie, but also thinking that it would get canceled because it's really socially inappropriate nowadays for it. You're welcome pack for these two. But it would be kind of funny how to see a remake of it, especially the CGI nowadays. Blue Wyvern. Looks like we got some kind of dinosaur one, but it's probably for the Skinks Army for it. That's for December set release. Cinema 3D Studio. Another anime figures. We got Yuwako Colored. I think this is from Hero Academia. I think this is another, what you call it, alteration for it. Oh yeah, I would like to have Ri Mayoto from High School of the Dead. That would be so freaking hot. G Sculpt Art. Live Kickstarter is happening right now. Usually you can find a lot of these stuff a lot cheaper on Etsy, just getting the file for it, but you're not going to be giving the money to it. So I think we've already done this one before. It's Beauty and the Beast, and this looks like Emma Stone right here. SN Studio. Another figure. This one still didn't show what's happening on December. Supposed to be Psylocke, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Mega Project figure. We have Yugi Monster. So you have Yugi and Seto Kaiba. And we have Ayo Todo from Jujutsu Kaisen. I can never get around Jujutsu Kaisen. I don't know why. Wife loves the shit out of it. I can care less for it. Still nothing for Legion. I think we'll have to freaking cancel that out now. Let's see here. Nation, Randall, Radara 3D Studio. I got Raiden Hood, 2 for comics. Elsa Xmas, Elsa for it. Okay, next one. Ride Studio. Kite Hunter x Hunter, 6-month mage for mild. So we have Frieza and Edward E. I got so much Edward, I don't have a good looking Frieza yet for my collection. So we'll see how they really look like later on if you ever get around to it. CG Pro Digital Art. Shivit Arai Thundercat collection. I remember Wildcats when I was a kid, but that's my father's era in the 80s. I'm a 90s kid, but I was born in 89. Let's see here, Cinex. I don't think there's nothing much here. We got the Predator for it. If you get Fallout, if you get some good looking Fallout, I'll get that thing in a heartbeat because I always want to play the actual role playing game RPG for that game too on the board. 3D printing realm. We got Viking girls, 2 Viking girls, and looks like an orc. Well, that orc doesn't look these print doesn't look too good. Probably if you paint it, it'll look a hell of a lot better, but a lot of time the grades you can't see. We already know about the hobbits and the dwarf rogue for it, but you know, for $1 you can get this dwarf rogue. We got that's November preview. Where the hell's the December one? December release. So they're finally gonna get the December release for it. If it freaking loads. So we have a troll. Looks like one of those bridge trolls. Next one would be some halfling shaman looking thing. Beast Mode miniatures. I haven't got that thing. So we have nothing for December yet. Miniature blueprint. We got the Fae, Frog, Folk, Barbarian, looks like kind of Krampus, and some kind of Snow Witch. So you have Christmas Wars. I wish there were a lot better ones that I see so far. I'm going to put this to the side while I do this because I need to save the links for all of this. Daybreak Miniatures. What do we got here? We have Trolls. You're getting Trolls for Daybreak. These are actually very good models. I'll tell you that right now. They're very detailed and everything else. You might have trouble painting them in details if you're still a beginner, but if you're really good with dry brush, this is a lot of the armors and stuff. It'll look pretty damn good for it. Azurma for anime figures. So we have Yuffie. Okay, we'll just do the video, I guess. So you got Yuffie that's coming up. I'm definitely going to get that. And I forgot this one called, but you can watch the anime and it's basically a very shy girl that doesn't really speak throughout the whole thing. But yeah, very popular girl. Ramen one. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.